Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace battery in Volvo XC90 easy method. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, remove the hold-down clamp, and lift out the old battery carefully. Clean corrosion from terminals and tray, place the new battery, reconnect positive then negative, secure clamp, and test ignition and electronics. Approach removal calmly and methodically to avoid mistakes. Start by loosening the negative terminal with the correct wrench, then the positive. Remove any vent caps or covers, take out the hold-down clamp, then lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to prevent acid spills. Inspect the tray and cable ends, clean corroded areas with a brush and baking soda solution, and rinse with water then dry thoroughly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so more easy DIY tips come your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great and fresh after a battery swap. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Installation is straightforward if you follow the sequence and stay organized. Set the new battery into the tray with terminals in the proper positions. Reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamp so the battery cannot shift. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative, and torque the connectors snugly. Start the car to verify proper operation of electronics, check for warning lights, and recheck terminal tightness after a brief drive to be safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.